Healthcare leaders need to create a safe work environment where healthcare workers can feel welcome to bring diverse viewpoints to the healthcare facility. This approach can help to develop new opportunities for the staff and create new ways to cater to patients. So far, despite many efforts to introduce this mindset in the healthcare workforce, racial disparities persist. This behavior must be addressed and modified by offering providers and nurses the tools needed to carry out their cultural competencies. This is particularly important nowadays because of the change in the U.S. demographic. Minority population is rapidly growing. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, for a person of minority population, health disparities can mean lower life expectancies, decreased quality of life, loss of economic opportunity, and a perception of injustice. For society, these inequalities translate into decreased productivity, increased healthcare costs, and social inequality. After reviewing James Lynn Taylor's and Boyce's strategy for creating an inclusive workplace, there are some recommendations that we would like to introduce in this webinar to exercise diversity and inclusion in the healthcare field. The implementation of the strategy plans for inclusive leadership. It is important to ensure that each staff members in the healthcare facility receives content communication and guidelines about inclusive leadership initiatives, utilizing all available channels such as social media, newsletters, intranets, email, as a strategy plan for a successful communication tools. Highlighting data for diversity and inclusions. By obtaining data on employees' demographics, an employer is better able to detect inequality based on the demographics and the diversity of his staff. This will be the easier way to identify any areas of concerns. Identify biases, which can represent a huge setback in establishing a truly diverse and inclusive environment. This can hamper equal opportunity for minorities in terms of advancement to a higher level of management. Provide sponsorship programs. The implementation of internships and sponsorship programs for minorities will increase diversity in their candidate selection process. And lastly, hold leaders accountable. Make sure that inclusion becomes a core value of the corporate cultures and not just a paperwork that is done as a routine. Thank you.